This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Weston. First time on the market. This is a one-of-a-kind property with 11 pristine acres on Jim Creek River. Recently updated single-story 3-bedroom home surrounded by the rolling pastures and bathed in sunshine. Imagine heading down to your own beach, strolling the creek and just breathing deep. Great for a hobby farm or those who just want a little space to relax. Home contains master suite and is ready to move in. 2-car attached garage. Don't let this one pass you by. For more information, review the details below or contact Weston at 360-734-7500 extension 212.